Okay, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi
Om.
Bhadram Karne Vishrunuyama Devaha Bhadram Pasye
Bhakshabhiryajatraha Sthirairangai Stushtvagum Sastanubihi Vyashema Devahitayadayu
Swasti na Indro Vruddhasravaha Swasti na Purusha Vishwavedaha Swasti
Nastarksho Arishnanemihi
Swasti
no
no
Bruhaspati
Dadu
Dadu
Om Shanti
Shanti Shanti
Agnena
Supakaraye Asman
Vishwani Deva
Vainani Vidman Yo Yasmajjuhranameno Bhuishtante Navavidema
Om Shanti 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 Om
Apyayantu Mama
Apyayantu
Angani
Vat Pranaschakshuhu Shrotramatho Balamindriyani
Cha Sarvani
Sarvam Brahma Upanishadam Maham Brahma
Nirakarotam
Mama
Mama
Brahma
Karotu Karanam Mestu Anirakaranam Me Astu
Tadatmani Rate
Parishatsu Te Mai Santu Te Mai Santu
Om
Om Shanti Shanti
Shanti
Shanti
Om Shanno Bhavachakshasa Shanno Anha Sham Bhanuna Sham Himasham Grunena Yatha Shamatvam Shamasadhurone Tatsurya Dravinam Dehi Chitram Asmakam Deva Ubhaya Yajanmane Sharma Yachata Dvipade Chatushpade Adatpibadurjayamanamasitam Tadasme Seyyorarapo Dadhatana Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. So the Aruna Prashna is a very important text from the Taittiriya Aranyakam, Prathama Prashna it is called, in which we get a lot of knowledge about the Surya Bhagavan, about the number of Suryas, about the solar regions or Surya Mandalas, and the presence of Kashyapa Prajapati, and Kashyapa is stationary, that is, he will not leave that mountain, and so, but anybody can go to that mountain and all that. So where are we now?
30th Anuvaka.
30th we have to start. 30th
Yes,
over, 31st we have to start.
31st we have to start. Correct.
Padita Surya. Correct, Allah Govindraj?
Oh, sir.
I'm just checking where I am. That's over. Yeah.
164.
We have got the classification of people that abhogaha, anabhogaha. I think so. Anabhogaha samyanti abhogaha.
Anabhogaha param mrutyam.
Yeah, I think there we have come to, and
Mrutyunjaya Stotra you gave us, sir, actually. Then we went further.
Punyakrato Janaha, till that Bhoga and Abhoga you explained, Guruji. Further you have to
come to that now. 50. Yeah. Yes. Correct. Abhoga 31. So abhogastveva samyanti yatra punya kruto janaha tato madhyamamayanti chatumagnim cha samprati uchami tva yatra yate yamaha tvam mahatatu brahman prabruhi yadi vetta sato gruhan. Yeah, that is the 29th passage here. And it is a very interesting factor that we are coming to know about the abhogaha, anabhogaha and abhogaha. These are the two varieties of people. And there is also punya kruto janaha, the people who have done punya. Punya means trying to follow the achara. Because we have been taught achara prathamo dharmaha dharmasya prabhurachyataha. So however much achara that we can afford, that much only we can always follow. So that righteous men who are having the achara and subsequent practices, they are all called righteous men, they are all called punyavans. And so then we have got the expression tato madhyamamayanti chatumagnim cha samprati. Those who have got madhyama is in between. All people cannot be purely pure or purely sinners. So there will be admixture of both sin and virtue. And how about them? They attain tato madhyamamayanti, and madhyama mrityu is Agni. So they will be attaining those people who are with mixed sin and virtue, they attain the difficulty related to Vayu and Mrityu and Agni. And these are all the lowest people who never do all these things. They always go to Avamaloka or Avama. They will have a very bad time. Therefore, there is that kind of Madhyamam is a Mrityu. That is the Mrityu related to Vayu. And Chatum means related to the fourth bag, the fourth Mrityu Devata. You know, these are all the four Mrityus. We have got Agni, Surya, Agni, Vayu, and Chandra. So among these four people, there is a discrimination and assignment of jobs as it appears. So Uttama Janaha will have Uttama Lokaha, and Madhyama Janaha Madhyama Lokaha, and Adhama Janaha Adhama Loka. In other sense, you know, all these gods have got different lokas or regions, and into their respective regions they will be going. So Chatum Agnim, Chatum Mrityum means the fourth one is Chandramaha. So it is interesting for us to know the source which strike us to end our lives. Nama Jivana end agbeku andre adu ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೇ. See, birth is a problem and end is a problem. And entry is a problem, exit also is a problem. So dukkha before, dukkha during, dukkha end. Thereby, there is nobody who is happy in the world. There is nobody. Everybody has to be a karma jivan. Karma is something, whether it's a dushkarma or sukarma or anything, he has to go it. That's why this particular passage tells us that men have chance to regulate the incidence of death patterns through the punya that do it. Because the world is meant for both punya and papa. Lokam cha punya papanam. We have seen that this lokam is both to do punyam, to do papam. Other than the punya papas, we have nothing more here. That is, the world is full of duality. Dvandva is there. For everything there is dvandva. Adrinda, those people who are when all people have got the chance to choose that type of death. And if you do some punya prescribed by the Vedas and literature, there is going to be a change in the effect of the sins, the intensity of the sins, or the punyam, and accordingly one will be able to. That's why now we're all papa jivans. So when we are doing that kind of sin, we have to be very much working or do some kind of punya karmas, paropakara karma, and see that we are all right. Now, another question. Pruchamitva papakrutaha yatra yatayate yamaha tvam naha brahman prabruhi yadivetha sato gruhan. So now the Brahmin is being asked. Prabruhi. Prabruhi is something stressed. Not simply bruhi. Prabruhi means definitely you describe what is going to be. I ask you regarding and what is the place of Yama, and who will be tormenting all people. Yatayate Yamaha. What is the job of Yama? Yatana. Yatana andre badha. So badhakaram bhavati. So please tell me which is the place where Lord Yama would be tormenting those people who are wicked in conduct, and thus they become sinners. So yadivetha yatayat yamaha gruhan. Vetha means no. If you have a knowledge of that kind of people, please inform me what about that. So this passage is a kind of inquiry. The passage that is Yamaha yatra yatayate tattum yadi vetha. So this is a very interesting question. Yama, what is the place where Yama torments all people? And moreover, here the word prabruhi, see, prabruhi means Brahman prabruhi. Oh Brahman, oh Brahmin, oh learned man, oh scholar, oh Rishi, tell me where is the place where the Yama is there and who will be tormenting people, and also who are the people? Asato, say, yadivetha asato gruhan. Satgruha, asudgruha. Satgruha means that house where people are religious, do some kind of positive karmas. Asatgruha is where there is not that kind of religiosity. The difference is there. Therefore, when they stay in the Asatgruha, that is, they will be not caring and they will be suffering. And that house is like that. So if you can tell me details about all that kind of discrimination in the Yamaloka or elsewhere, so please tell me. So here the word is called Brahman. Brahma is knowledge about Brahman or knowledge about the God. Otherwise it's called Divya Gnana. See, Brahma does not mean only Brahmin. Brahmavit Brahmanaha. That is simplest liberation. Anybody who has got academic and spiritual knowledge about Paramatma is called a Brahman. That is, he must be knowing something higher than the human life and earthly life. When that kind of question has been asked for the learned man, the Vipra, then next you have got the answer. So the question is posed to the teachers by a student. So as we understand, a student asks the teacher in the course of study to explore the truths. So here Brahman Yaru Andre is a preceptor, is a guru. So guru is generally supposed to be aware of many more things, intricacies of the knowledge also. Then only he will become a Vipra and Srotriya. The other day we have noted that Janmana Jayate Sudraha. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಶೂದ್ರರಾಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ವಂಶ ಆಗಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. ಆದರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅವನು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ದೆನ್ ಅವನು ವಿಪ್ರನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೇದಾಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಶ್ರೋತ್ರಿಯನಾಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಂಥ ಹೈಯರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್. See, tomorrow we are going to have a Teachers' Day. September 5th, Radha Krishnan is made as the teacher of par excellence to all. So, teachers also have got always not Father's Day or Mother's Day. Even all acharyas have got a day when acharyas gratitude to them is being celebrated. So the acharyas are exposed to be asked by any kind of question. That's why yatra yatayate yamaha. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಮ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪುಣ್ಯಕಾರರು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಯಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಚಿಂತೆನೆ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಮ ಆರ್ ಯಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟೀಚರ್ ಪೃಚ್ಛಾಮಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನು ಪಾಪಕೃತಃ ಯಮಃ ಯಾತಯತೆ, whom he will take care of. Yama is only interested upon the sinners. ಪುಣ್ಯ ಮಾಡೋರನ್ನು ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲನ್ನ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಪ್ಪ, ನನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಮ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಮಹಾಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಂಡವರು ಕೌರವರು ಸತ್ತೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಧರ್ಮರಾಜ ಹೋದಾಗ ಯಮಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮಂದ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಯಾತ್ರೆಗಳನ್ನ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾರೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಧರ್ಮರಾಜ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಏನು ಇದು ವಿಚಿತ್ರವಾಗಿದೆ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಪುಣ್ಯನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ವೈ ಯು ಅಲೋಡ್ why you have allowed my brothers to come and suffer, and whereas I see all Kauravas in heaven. Then Yama replied, ಏನಂತ, ಈ ಕೌರವರಿಗೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೋ ಇಷ್ಟೋ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅನುಭವ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಪಾಂಡವಾಸ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ that no, we have been suffering lot, like whatever little suffering, so let us enjoy that suffering and go permanently for punya lokas. So this is the kind of option. And I mean to say, Mahabharata is such a text where you have everything. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಬೇಕು. ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ, ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್. ಆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we should know everything. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈ ಯಮ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸ್ವರ್ಗಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಮೋಗನಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. ಈ ಕಾಸ್ಮಾಲಜಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬರಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗೋ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ, ಆ ತಕ್ಕ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಮೆರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ತರ ಹೈ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಲೋ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಭಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ, ಡೇಂಜರ್. ಸೊ ಡೇಂಜರ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋ, ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಅದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಗುರುಗಳನ್ನ, ಯದಿವೇತ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಬ್ರೂಹಿ, ನೀನು ಏನನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸಸ್. ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೂತ್, ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಯದಿವೇತ್ತ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಅರ್ಥವೇನಂತಾರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವರ್ ಟು ನೋ ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನೋ ತಲಹರಟೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ಫುಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಯತ್ರ ಯಮ ಯಾತಯತೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಯಮ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟು ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್. ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ಗರುಡ ಪುರಾಣ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಸಚ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the moment you leave the body, where you go? Accommodation ಬೇಕಲ್ವ ನಮಗೆ. So yopam pushpam veda pushpavan prajavan pasuman bhavati ya evam veda ayatanavan bhavati ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಗ್ನಿರ್ವಾಪಾಂ ಪುಷ್ಪಂ ಅಗ್ನಿ ವಾಯು ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯತನಂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು, ಅಕಾಮಿಡೇಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ನಾವು ಮನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಮನೆ ನಮ್ದಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕಾಮಿಡೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ ಅದರ್ ಲೋಕ. ಆ ಲೋಕ ಯಾವ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ನರಕ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಲೇಔಟ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಲೇಔಟ್ಸು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಾನ ಅಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವು ಲೇಔಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಥಿಕ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವೆಜಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬರೀ ಗಿಡಗಳು ಮಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಲೇಔಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಚ್ ಲೇಔಟ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅನುಕೂಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಪಿತೃಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೇತರಾಗಿರೋರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯಮಲೋಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಮ ಕರೆಯೋದನಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕೋದಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದರ್ಶನ್. ಯಮ ದರ್ಶನ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಟ್ನಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪುಣ್ಯ ಪಾಪ ಮಾಡಿದೀವೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಲಕ್ಷೇಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇವರು ಯಮಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಳ್ಳು. ಯಮಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಯಮನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಚಂದ್ರ, ಅಗ್ನಿ, ಯಮ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಕಿಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಅದರ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ನಾವು ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್. ಸೊ ದಿ ಗುರು ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ತುಗಳು ಆರಣ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರ ದ್ವಾರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ we are able to get hold of the truth. So now you look at that. Please repeat. Kasyapadudita suryaha. Repeat mari. 31.
Hela. Kasyapadudita suryaha.
Papan nirghanti sarvada.
Apadidhanti sarvada.
Rodasyorantardeseshu.
Rodasyorantardeseshu.
Tatra nyasyante vasavaihi.
Tatra nyasyante vasavaihi.
ते शरीराः प्रपद्यन्ते.
ते शरीराः प्रपद्यन्ते.
यथा पुण्यस्य कर्मणः.
यथा पुण्यस्य कर्मणः.
अपाण्यपादकेशासः.
अपाण्यपादकेशासः.
तत्र ते योनिजाग्जनाः.
तत्र ते योनिजाग्जनाः.
मृत्वा पुनर्मृत्युमापद्यन्ते.
मृत्वा पुनर्मृत्युमापद्यन्ते.
अद्यमाना स्वकर्मभिः.
अद्यमाना स्वकर्मभिः.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. See, the sons have Kasyapaduditaha Suryaha. All Suryas, how many are there? 8. Ashta Suryaha. All the 8 Suryas have emerged, have emanated from Kasyapa Surya. And who is that Kashyapa Surya? He is the dweller of the Meru mountain. Meru is the golden, mythical, eternal mountain of mountains. So Meru Parvata, Mandara Parvata, we have got so many Parvatas. So we have got the Parvatas. And so in the Meru Parvata, gold mountain, we have the presence of Kashyapa Prajapati or residence. ಈಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಕೇದಾರ್ನಾಥ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕೈಲಾಸ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಕಿರಣಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ತರಹ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಯಾವಾಗನ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದಟ್. ನೀವು ಹೋದಾಗ there will be clouds and rain and snow, but there is also a time when Surya Bhagavan will illuminate that Kailasa mountain. Then that will be, that you say that Kashyapa's original residence is that. So from Kashyapa Prajapati, the other 8 Suryas are there. And what is the job of these people? So papat sarvada nirghanti. So they make the people who sin living on the earth and heaven and in between the places, and so they give rise placement in the respective hells, and the vasus are again the various forms of sun. The sapta vasavaha idena. So vasavaihi nyasyante tatra rodasi antaratah deseshu papat sarvada nirghanti. That is to say, the suns are giving rise for all people living upon the earth, heaven, and in the rodasi, in between the places, as to be sinners, and also give rise for them to be troubled in the respective hells by the Vasavas, and who are the forward. Tatra Vasavaihi Nyasyante. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂತರಿಕ್ಷ ಲೋಕ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಭೂಲೋಕ ಆರ್ ಅದರ್ ಲೋಕಾಸ್, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಆಯಾ ಹೆಲ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸೂರ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರೋಗ, ಭ್ರಾಜ, ಪಟರ, ಪತಂಗ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ, ಸ್ವರ್ಣರ, ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷಿಮಾನ್, ವಿಭಾಸಃ. ಸೊ ದಿ ರೋದಸ್ಯೋ ಅಂತರ್ದೇಶೇಶು ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ರೋದಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾವಾ ಪೃಥ್ವಿ. ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆವನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರೋದಸಿ, and Antardesha is in between the Antariksha Loka. So these 3 lokas are there, and people are there in the 3 lokas. So ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂತರಿಕ್ಷ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಜನರೇ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗಣಾನಾಂ ತ್ವಾ ಗಣಪತಿ ಗುಂಭವಾಮಹೇ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಈ ಗಣಗಳು ದೇವಗಣ, ಯಕ್ಷಗಣ, ಕಿನ್ನರ ಗಣ, ಕಿಂಪುರುಷ ಗಣ, ಋಷಿಗಣ, ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಗಣ, all are all category people. So for all people, the Vasavaha, so the Vasava means they are having the Kiranas. So the Surya Kiranas are all gods. So the Vasavas, the rays of sun, the variant, and they will be sending the people to respective places called hells. And so they, in other words, the sun is a symbolic healer, sustainer, promoter, and a killer. Surya Bhagavanu ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. He will leave people to do punyam. He will, that is in Aditya Hridayam, which you are going to know, Esha Devan Suraganan Pati Gabhastibihi ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ಸೊ ತನ್ನ ಗಭಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಂದ, ತನ್ನ ಕಿರಣಗಳಿಂದ, ದಟ್ which is Kirana's, sun is trying to protect all people. And therefore, and all the Kiranas are the form of Vasus or God. So, and it is symbolic to say that Surya is concerned with the activity of the people in all the three worlds, and that is, and so Kasyapa Prajapati does exist to give the termination for all these suns to extend to the people, and therefore, so moreover, Yottu Pradosha. Pradosha means night. When Vasavas are present, it is a daylight. When Asavas are not there, that is called night anta heltare. So that's what dosha, doshakala. Pradosha is that where no, I mean, is pradosha, where there are no, where the absence of all of the kiranas of Surya Bhagavan in the night will be there. That's why this is what will happen. So when they're all going to hello?
Guruji.
I'm there. Okay, yeah. Just slip
Yes, sir, you are there. ಪ್ರದೋಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ರದೋಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, Pradosha is the night time. And dosha is night actually. Every day we have got night. But Pradosha means a sacred special night where upon the bull, the family of Shiva would ride. So now I happen to witness one in temple here that avattu Nandi Vahana ಮೇಲೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಶಿವನನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ವತಿಯನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So that is what I think the Pradosha, where it is day meant for the Lord Shiva, who is the guardian of the exit for people. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ರದೋಷ ಪೂಜಾ ಇವತ್ತೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಶನಿ ಪ್ರದೋಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ತ್ರಯೋದಶಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಶನಿ ಯಾವ ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಪ್ರದೋಷ ಅದನ್ನು ಆ ವಾರದ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಶನಿ ಪ್ರದೋಷ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ. So this is what would be happening. And again, next one you understand. Te sariraha te asariraha prapadyante yatha punyasya karmanah apani apadakeshasah tatra te yo nijagana janaha. So janaha, jana is the people who are liable for birth. So the sinners will obtain incomplete bodies. They would have, those who are sinned much, they will be having defective body. For example, either they will be having defects in the hands, in the feet, or in the hair, or anywhere. So, apani, see, yatha apunyasya karmanaha, according as the sin that they have committed, the body also will be correspondingly measuring. So ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶರೀರ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ದೋಷಗಳು ಲೋಪಗಳು any part of the body if there is not good. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ, for example, some children born with hole in the heart, or you don't know how many kinds of problems are there. And avella janma dukkhalu. So ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ some people will pick up dukkha after some time. Some people would have light at the birth, some people in later on in life. Yakendre, why? Because it's all the sinners. Unless we have done some sin and some karma, we are not born again. So Shankaracharya in Aparada Stotram says, he says that Adau karma prasangat kalayati matra kutshaun. Because of the remnant of karma is sin or anything like that balance, again he will come back to the Matrakuchi. When he comes to Matrakuchi and gets delivered, then if he is a perfect, that's a punyam. Otherwise, the sinners will have this kind of difficulty, and another point is that those people who have done a lot of sin, they don't have chance to even reborn. Rebirth is not compulsory or anything like that. It's again a blessing by the God. You will be given one more opportunity. Something like an examination, when you fail, you have September. If you fail in March, you can have September and get the thing. But Allimatra, there are people who cannot be promoted at all. Andre Badikuruvaga estondu serious andre. That's why apani apa tatraye ajonija janaha. So our yonine sikodilla. They have no scope to be born even. They continue to live in hell. For all this kind of change in the world, for being is Surya Bhagavan. Therefore, simple age, our anugraha beku. If you want his anugraha, we say Suryaya Namaha, Bhanave Namaha, or Bhaskaraya Namaha. Right in the morning, offer one salute to Surya and go to your work. So, only a few sinners whose sin is not very much loading. Kadime load is the sinnerske, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ scope ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ, that's why ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣರು, when they take food, they have to drop a water after completion of food. They say ರವರವೇ ಅಪುಣ್ಯ ನಿಲಯೇ ಪದ್ಮ ಅರ್ಬುದ ನಿವಾಸಿನಾಂ ಅರ್ಚಿನಾಂ ಉದಕಂ ದತ್ತಂ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ಯಮುಪತಿಷ್ಠತು ಅಂತ. There are so many unfortunate souls, deep sinners, who have no chance even to be born. And to them, there are Rava Adi Narakas. There are so many Narakas, specially marked for the extraordinary sinners who have no chance to be reborn once again. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ, ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಲೋಕ ಆರ್ ಯಮಲೋಕ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದಿವ್ಯ ಲೋಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ there is a scope that there is chance to be born, there is chance. Something apply, no reply. So death is not a guarantee that you are back again. That's why whenever we are living, however long we are living, do some punya karma, yatha shakti, yatha kalam, yatha desham anta doddavaru helbittu hogidare.
What could be the status of
ಕಾಲಂ ಯಥಾ ದೇಶಂ ಅದು ಗಮನ ಮಾಡದೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏಲ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಲೀಸರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೀಂಗ್ ಅಬ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅರ್ಣಪ್ರಶ್ನ is a good guidance, is a good caution that people have to be very careful when they are living upon the land. Hedipa Manju.
See, what could be the punishment or rebirth as far as these Talibans are concerned? See,
we are not the judges. Paramatma is there to judge them. See, we only see their crime and torture.
Himse, torture.
Okay, now we only see them doing atrocity, killing, but what would be the effect? We are not there to judge. We are not sitting in the court of law of God to witness the proceedings. But it is definite that they are going to have a very bad time. They may not be reborn, who knows? So not being reborn and staying in the hell itself is a hell. See, ivaga ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಃಖ ನಮಗೆ. See, to be free, we have been free people. But because of the present crisis, everybody is now, especially America, they have made compulsory to wear mask schools are now open, but all schools are open. So all people are now, first 2 days they allowed students to come without vaccination. But next day they immediately issued the orders that they should have the mask. Even without mask, even the school bus won't admit the boy into the bus. So is it not a problem and torture? So like that, here we cannot know. It is easy to do sin, but difficult to get rid of the sin. The prayaschitta karma is very hard. They say that guy, you mantra, you salahari, you homa, ashtu salamari, is all work for us. But we have to do it because the human birth is meant for that. When you are doing all that, you are not only redeeming yourself, also the others connected to you. Nobody, you see anybody after doing tarpana or that, what he will say? He will say that samasta pitrunam shaswata brahmaloka vaptirastu. For all my pitrus, let there be shaswata brahmaloka. It is not just a visitor visa. It must be for residence there. Permanent agirbeku. Shaswata brahmaloka vaptirastu. So we are all doing that. We are not putting thought what we are uttering. When people do that kind of pitru karma, then they will say like that. Like that, here also, the Aruna Prashna is a source to provide knowledge on hell, the kinds of mrityus, and the activity there, and how sun is connected to all these things. Surya is not only to give us food and drink and all that positive things. Surya also is responsible to give us the other side of the coin. And Yonija and Ayonija are the two sources known, birth sources for the birth known and unknown. And moksha is that which is not at all caring for the yoni at all. Escape this kind of categorization. And we don't want any yoni to be born. When once we are born, we go elsewhere, we do something, see that we go straight to the emancipation or liberation from the cycle of death. So, ayonija janaha, yonija janaha, and they all have to have apani, no hands, or defective hands. Apada, defective legs. And akesha, kesha, defective hair. People grow bald, even though they are rich in hair, slowly, quickly they become bald. Or sometimes adrushta, bald people go to and get the hair on that. So we don't know. Kesha is important for us. The hair is a very important thing because it is a protective shield for human beings. And it, for a number of reasons. That's why Pani, Pada, Kesha. These are the three things attacked. Pani andre work and activity. Pada andre mobility. And Kesha andre protection and security. So, ee mooro yakendre, why Kesha is referred? Because Kesha is the seat for attracting more and more sin. So, it is said, Yani papani tishtanti, tani keshanasritya tishtanti ante heltare. Whatever sins are there, all sins are staying, taking resort in the kesha. That's why in olden days, you must have seen Brahmins more so because they have to give virtues to all people. They don't have hair on the head, but only they will have a tuft of hair, shikha. Because whatever tapas that they do, all the tapas will be useless. So mundana is taken out. Okay, that's why always the kesha is not there. Many people, even today, there are many people in Tamil Nadu and elsewhere, Purohits, because they have got brahmacharya, Brahma. They appreciate sacrifices, they do it. So that's why I think so. This is all my explanation. that if at all you want to get emancipation, you have to have this kind of care to be taken. That, but to get a chance of birth itself is a great luck.
Guruji,
Durlabham manusham janma.
what is the purpose of living that shikha, Guruji? What is
That
the
will
purpose?
protect. See, that is the entry, that is the exit gate for our body. There are
Okay.
11 rantras in our body. One is our navel, Boddu. Boddu dwara Amma will give the food when we are in the Amma's womb. Afterwards, that Boddu will get closed.
Hmm.
No more anything it enter into us. Whatever we have got from mother during that time, that is only our Saraswati. That is only our food, our strength. You cannot have any kind of change. But the 9 randhras will start operative when we are living. And there is 1/10 indriya waiting. And when once all 9 indriyas become dull and about to get exit, then this will be open. So the pranam which entered through Boddu will disappear from the Sahasrara. Adu, that has got to be protected, not being directly hit by the sun's rays or any other things. So Agni Shikha, you understand?
Agni Shikha.
Agni Shikha means Agni is the energy. Agni is the shield, compound wall. Namma sarira compound yavadu andre ili Shikha. ಅದು ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ ಓಪನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ. Lot of meaning in that. Shikha is a one that's an interesting point where our exit point ಅದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯೋಗಗಳು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯೋಗೇನ ಅಂತೆ ತನುತ್ಯಜಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, so I am going to let my pranam go out through yoga, through that Sahasrara. So in fact, when corpses are burnt, people wait until the top sound of the skull comes.
Correct. Yeah, I've seen.
So one has to wait up till that time, and ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So you have to watch until the top sound comes. For everybody it comes, and whatever it is. That's why burning, ಬರಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಲ್ಲ, but burning ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, so Brahmins are buried. Sorry, Brahmins are burnt, and Grihasthas are burnt. And there is only 2 ways of making the person get out. Now, if you want to go to other lokas, there are only 2 ways. Either you should get buried or burnt. Otherwise, it is called a disposal of the dead. So the disposal of the dead also is a kriya, antyeshti, and whereby you are to be properly directed to the place where you should normally go. Primarily, you take 10 days to go to journey. Afterwards, you will take 1 more year. According to our system, you take another 360 days to go. That's why annual smart. You forget the fellow.
At least one change we do now, sir.
That is after 1 year ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳು ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲವಲ್ಲ.
Correct.
Year by year, there are a lot of changes. I am in America. I cannot conduct all these things regularly.
Formalities agala.
If in our place we have trees, we have all conveniences. That's why we have always alternatives done like that. So here and again, so antavaru, those people who have got the remnants of sin, what would happen? Mrutva punarmrutyuma patyante adyamana swakarmabhihi ashātikāha krimayaiva tatah pūyante vāsavaihi. So Surya Aradhana is a wonderful thing. Sandhya Vandana has been prescribed for 3 caste people because it is only the Vasavas, that is the Surya Kiranas, Surya Bhagavan, Kashyapa Prajapati, who will be able to purify us totally during our lifetime. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ they have put 3 kara sandhya, at least 2 kara sandhya. Andರಲ್ಲಿ Gayatri Upasana is main thing. In the Gayatri Upasana, you have the Surya Shakti Upasana. Surya Shakti andre, it is the kiranas of Surya Bhagavan which will make you relieved of the remnants of our sin in our birth. That's why yadanhat krute papam tadanhat pradimochyate. We are saying that. So yadratriyat krute papam tadratriyat pradimochyate. Sarvarne Mahadevi
ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ.
ಈ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓದಬೇಕು ಅನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೈಬಲ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ I have taken every one mantra and explained to you, annotated you that ಈ ಸಲ ನಾನು ಯಾಗುಂ ಸದಾ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಾನಿ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I will send you that. ಯಾಗುಂ ಸದಾ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಾನಿ ಚರಾಣಿ ಸ್ಥಾವರಾಣಿ ಚ ಸಾಯಂ ಪ್ರಾತಃ ನಮಸ್ಯಂತಿ ಸಾಮಾ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾಭಿರಕ್ಷತು ಅಂತ. ಈ ಸಾಮಾ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾಭಿರಕ್ಷತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ say, which means whatever remnants of sin that we have still balanced with us, that sin must be cancelled.
Okay. Go away.
We cannot become completely pure.
Okay.
So impurity ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But that whatever unseeable impurity is there in us, or karma sesha, even that karma sesha, papa sesha will be exempted by Paramatma.
Okay.
So now how much we can try to get rid of our sins? Little. Because we have so many other avocations. But whatever time that Sandhya Vandana, you can always do for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes, or 1 hour. All Sandhya Vandana duration depends upon your Gayatri Japam.
Okay.
ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಜಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ನಮಗೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬಾಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಜಪಂ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬಟ್ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಜಪಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ when we sit there and we have to do at least 1000 Gayatri, 108 Gayatri, whatever. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಉಪನಯನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾವನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿಕೋದಾಗ I sat down with him. But as a boy, I want to get out as early as possible. So, chikka makkalige astu patience. But my uncle was sitting. He brought me up to Gayatri Japam and said, Japa madu. He was also sitting doing Japam. Until he says, Om Tat Sat Krishna, Brahmarpanamastu, and I can get out. He did 1000 Gayatri. He made me also to do 1000 Gayatri. So that was the first and last time I sat with him. In the sense that, ಆ ತರಹ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೃತ್ವಾ ಪುನರ್ಮೃತ್ಯುಮಾ ಪದ್ಯಂತೆ ದಿ ಸಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡೆತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆತ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿನ್ನರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಡೈ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ದೇ ಡೈ. ಸೊ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇವನ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೃತ್ವಾ ಪುನರ್ಮೃತ್ಯುವಾ ಪದ್ಯಂತೆ. ಈ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಅದ್ಯಮಾನಾಃ ಸ್ವಕರ್ಮಭಿಃ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬೀಂಗ್ ಈಟನ್ ಬೈ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪುಣ್ಯವಾನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲಾಫ್. If you are a papi, you will cry. So punya papa depends upon our crying and then being happy. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೊ ಮರ್ತ್ವಾ ಪುನರ್ಮೃತ್ಯುಮಾ ಪದ್ಯಂತೆ, all the sinners die and again get the death. So the death and death and death and death will be for sinners continuously. But during the lifetime, swakarmabhihi adyamanaha, so they will be eaten away by their own karmas. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಿಲಾಸಫಿಕಲ್ ಇದು ಆರಣ್ಯಕಾಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಲಾಸಫಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಟೈಸಸ್. our Veda ultimately gets into the wisdom plane. So very not necessary that you always should do yajnas, but you can afford to go into punyas also. Therefore, he said, Adyamanaha swakarma vigi. But so if your karma, papas are more, prarabdha karma, agami karma, sanchita karma, oh God, karma itself is a very complicated issue. We don't understand. And all religions have got karma as a concept. So whichever religion talks about karma, and the karma cannot be escaped. Therefore, what does this karma do? Krimayaha ashatikaha. See, this karma will be torturing men like krimis. That is, krimi are the worms. Worms of short life are called krimis. Only man has got long life, 120 years. Nobody is living, no animal is living 120 years. Either a dog or a cat or a rat or anything. All animals have chosen only short time as their. Only the man is greedy. Whatever age extra we don't want, the animal said, man said, I want it. So ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದೀರ್ಘಾಯುತ್ವಂ ಚಮೇ ಅನವಿತ್ರಂ ಚಮೇ ಅಂತ, ನನಗೆ ದೀರ್ಘಾಯುಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. We don't want to die. Yama comes and knocks our doors and says, are you ready? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಈಗಲೇ ಮಗಳ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have so much of engagement, we cannot get out. No time we are free to be out. But that's why Yama has been given such a power. ಒಂದು ರೋಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಪಾಶ. ಆ ಪಾಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಮಪಾಶ, ವರುಣ ಪಾಶ, ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರುಣ ಪಾಶ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ವರುಣ, ಯಮ, ಇವನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೈಯ ಫ್ರೀ ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೋಲು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಪಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರೇ ದೇವಿ, ಇವನ್ ತಾಯಿಂದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಪಾಶ. ಇವನ್ ದೇಹ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗಾಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾಶ, ಜೀವನ ಪಾಶ. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಶ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಜೀವನ ಪಾಶ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಲಿವ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅಂತಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂತವ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ eclipsed by the karma are like the worms which have short time. Krimayaha, and ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಮಿಗಳು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಆಶಾತಿಕಾಹ, they are always subsist hope. See, worms, though they are short life, but they are tormented by people because they are having the hope to want to live. No, not even an ant wants to die immediately. But without it,
it will struggle to live. It will struggle to live.
Yeah. ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ, ದ ಸೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೈನ್ ಇದೆಯೇ, ಆ ಗ್ರೈನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಪೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬೋರ್ಡ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕು. But the krimis know it. So krimayaha means the worms of varied nature and stature and lifelong. See, grasshoppers are there. Oh God! So 86 lakh species alli human species ondu, but it's the best one. So that's what we study. So like the worms being troubled, so men are also, just now is a Taliban, men are troubling others. Muslims kill each other. Brothers fight each other. Sundova Sundarlu anta heltare. If two brothers were to fight and kill themselves, it's called Sundova Sundartara. So if two brothers are fighting in the house olden days, but ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ Sundova Sundara ಹಾಕು ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. So even brothers also like that, because this is why you see Asha Atikaya Krimayeva. And Amele, so they hold that the gods are hurting the sinners, but when we are there, Tataha Vasavai Puyante, when you are able to get rid of all these kind of crises and all that, then again the same sun will protect, will purify you. That's why sun is called as Punyasya Vatsaha. See, sun is the child of Punyam. Therefore, anybody who is born to a Punyam will be a Punyavan. And that Punyavan will make others also Punyam. That's why Puyante Vasavaihi. And innondu artha kodtare Puyante, not necessarily. Another meaning is that they will be troubled. So for troubling or giving you elevation, for both the sun's rays are important. People commit atrocities when sun is on, open sun. While sun or no sun, they will be doing sins. So that's why, so there could be a suggestion that people from one birth to another birth enjoy scope for improvement and remedying the effects of sins committed and would be helped by the vasavas. You know, the message is Krishna Bhagavad Gita ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಲ್ವಾ Bahunam Janmanam Ante Nanavan Mam Prapadyate. So Bhagavad Gita is the Bible for us in the sense that it contains answers to all sorts of doubts to us. So that's why Krishna spoke in 574 slokas, 17 yogas to simple cry that Arjuna, Vishada, that Arjuna exhibited to his driver. Parthasarathi driver. So Maharaja, Parthasarathi, Arjuna, and a driver ge dukka helkodidane, but our driver is not ordinary driver. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯುದ್ಧ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ ಯುದ್ಧಗಲ್ವಾ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲ. Just let's go to war and kill that all of them and upload dharma and be a king anta. See, so that war, that's so the same is the sun. So here in Saura Sukta, Pasyan Janmahani Surya, even Saraswati Suktam also we get it, that yen martha, what the Surya does, he keeps on watching the Janma and Karma. So Krishna said in Gita, Janma Karma cha me vidhi anta avanu helidane. You try to know your Janma and Karma. That's exactly what it is. Karma andre Punya Karma, Papa Karma, no Karma. But when we get into the philosophical plane, namge tumba doubts baratte, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಯ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, we can do some puja and get rid of that ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಯಶ್ಚಿತ್ತ ಗುಣ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. That's why man is really helped to become wiser by virtue of the knowledge present in our Vedas. If you have no Veda Gnanam, then we are ignorant. When we are ignorant, we will again suffer. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ.
ನಿರಂಜನಂ ಸಾಮ್ಯಂ ಉಪೈತಿ, ಪುಣ್ಯ ಪಾಪೆ ವಿಧೂಯ ನಿರಂಜನಂ ಸಾಮ್ಯಂ ಉಪೈತಿ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಈ ಕೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಒದರ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ಪಾಪ ಈ ಕೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಒದರ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿರಂಜನಂ ಸಾಮ್ಯಂ ಉಪೈತಿ.
ನೋಡ್ರ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ ಎರಡು ಕೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯ ಪಾಪ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ತಾರಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾಗ ತಾರಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ.
ತಾರಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಈ ತಾರಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತು.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಓಪನ್, ಅವ ಮಣ್ಣಿತ್ತು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಓಪನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಪಾಪಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಟ್. ಎನಿವೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಸಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಣ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Yes, sir.
Which will open our eyes.
Yes.
Eyes andre artha eno gnana chakshu, because charma chakshu, gnana chakshu. Charma chakshu inda ನಾವು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಚಕ್ಷು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. That is inner eye. Antaryami antaralva, Paramatma, that is flowing through that we get it. That's why now much progress we may not be able to do in Paravar, but we are just getting lot of knowledge, and especially regarding sun.
Yes.
Sun is also a killer, sun is also a protector. for janma janmas. Our parents have seen our son, our grandparents, great grandparents, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಆರಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಟೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ, ನಾವೇ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ತಾತ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ತಾತರ ಹೆಸರು ಇಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. Punyam, when there is punyam, we are born. When there is but when once we are born, again we are eclipsed by the balancing, the punyam and papa. Punya pape dve vimuktva vidhuya. Punya and papa, two pans of the balance.
ಪುಣ್ಯ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಬೇಡಿ, ಪಾಪ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಬೇಡಿ. ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಬೇಡಿ, ಇದು ಪಾಪ ಕರ್ಮ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಬೇಡಿ. ಬೇಡಿ ಯಾವ ಬೇಡಿ ಆದ್ರೂನು ಒಂದೇ ತಾನೆ.
ಅದು ಮುಳ್ಳು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ತೋರ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಟು
ಎರಡು ಒದರಿ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಪುಣ್ಯ ಚಿನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ ನಿರ್ಮಲ ಇದು.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಮ್ಮ. ಸೊ ನೀವಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ತೃಪ್ತಿ. ಇದು ಆಯುಕಾರಕ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯುಕಾರಕನು ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಯುಕಾರಕ ಇಸ್ ರವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 8ನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಯುಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಮಿಚ್ಛೇತ್ ಭಾಸ್ಕರಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯಮಿಚ್ಛೇತ್ ಅಗ್ನಿ ವೈಶ್ವಾನರಾತ್ ಅಂತ. ಸಂಪದಮಿಚ್ಛೇತ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಹಾವಿಷ್ಣು. ಸಂಪದ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ so all these things we have been asked. So Aruna Prashna, Aruna means pink color. It is ready to go. So whenever that ready to stop, ready to go, ready to stop sin, and again bandra ready to go. So punya papa anu torsutte. Ame green or red will be different. It will be you helaga ee kai aa kai. Both hands. Punyada kai. Beautiful. See, in our own mundane life, we are seeing so many symbolism.
Yes, sir. Howdo.
ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾನಾಪೊಲಿಸ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ they are doing ಗಣಪತಿ ನವರಾತ್ರಿಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Every day some 30 minutes talk by some scholars organize ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And I have chosen to talk about symbolism. Topics ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ವಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ 9 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿ ಗಣಪತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. And ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. I have taken to speak on the symbolism in Ganapati Puja. And Panchayatana Puja ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವು ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I have to pick up. So we should know ಗಣಪತಿ ಯಾರು. ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಗಣಪತಿನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಈ ರಾವಣಾಸುರ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮಲಿಂಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಗಣಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯಜಮಾನ ಪತಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗಣಗಳಿಗೂ ಪತಿಯಾದವನು ಗಣಪತಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗಣಗಳಿಗೂ ಪತಿಯಾದವನು ಗಣಪತಿ.
ಅದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸೆಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಗಣ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನಾಳೆ ಭಾಗವತ ಇದೆ 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಭಾಗವತಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸಪ್ತಸತಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೂಜಾ. And it's only so 161. You can buy the copy or take the copy and keep it. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕೆಲಸ. ಯಾವಾಗ 1975 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳು, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವತವನ್ನು ಶ್ಲೋಕ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆತರ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So there is approval of Krishna in his life. Therefore he was able to give immortal work like that. ನೀವು ಆದ್ರೆ 8 ಗಂಟೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಭಾನುವಾರ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಖಂಡಿತ.
ಓಂ
ಸಹನಾವತು ಸಹನೋ ಭುನಕ್ತು ಸಹ ವೀರ್ಯಂಕರವಾವಹೈ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಾವಧೀತಮಸ್ತು ಮಾ ವಿದ್ವಿಷಾವಹೈ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ.
हरि
ओम कृष्णार्पणमस्तु वेद पुरुषाशीर्वादोस्तु
ओम तत्सत्
तत्सत्
Thank you, Gurugane. Thank you
Namaste,
so
Guru.
much.